My yoga.
Mr.
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. How have you been?
You did push up.
In job life now.
Normal level.
Please help me get my luggage.
Okay, no problem. Welcome back.
Thank you. Mom.
Yeah, thank you. Look at the movie.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you so much.
Boss.
What?
Everywhere good. Boss.
What is going on here? Mom?
Hey! Mama Matago, welcome!
Thank you.
How was your journey?
Fine, Mom.
See, you're fresh, you're looking good.
Mom, what's going on here? Where's my picture? Who is this?
This is your wife. I got her for you. Teresa! You will like her. Just hold on.
I don't understand.
The wife I married for you from the village. Very fine girl.
Now my husband.
Greet your husband now.
No.
Greet him now.
What's going on? I don't understand. What's going on? Hold on.
Now me and you there for the picture.
Hold on. Mom, is this a joke? What do you mean she's my wife?
Because she's your wife.
A lady I don't even know?
Okay.
I don't know her name, Mom.
Her name is Teresa. I married her for you from a very good family, so don't worry.
Mom, the only reason I am not throwing out that low-class, naive village girl is because you bought her. Mom, please, first thing tomorrow morning, send her back to her people because I don't understand this joke. Alright? I mean, I can't just wake up and get married to her like that. This is 21st century, Mom. Something is no longer happen.
Christian James Madeke Jr. Am I asking for too much? For years I've been begging you to get married. I even promised your father at his grave that you will get married early because you are the only child.
Mom, we've been through this a million times. Marriage will happen when it happens. Don't force things on me. Besides, Mom, I have someone in my life.
Really?
Yes.
In as much as I want you to get married, I will not fold my hands and watch you walk into fire with that girl that has no home training. Why not give love a chance with Teresa?
And I'm supposed to do this marriage stuff with someone I don't know? Someone I don't like?
That's not true. My son likes you. And he's a good man. Oh. See, it's like that with most men. When they like something, they want to experience it first. Just give him time. I know that with time, you'll get to know him and you will enjoy him.
Enjoy waiting. That one where they look me like say I no be human being or like say I no fine. See, this thing no be waiting you promise me be this so. No waiting you promise
I know, but trust me. My son is a good man. Oh. See, it's like friendship and marriages when they in the beginning it's not usually smooth. But give him time. It's like planting a seed. With time, if you take care of that seed, it will germinate.
I want to plant this one way different like this. This one where we say the ground strong. How the seed won't even take enter before I start to pour water, make the thing for grow.
That's why I said you should trust me.
I'm not sure say this thing go work.
It will work. It will work. See, two of you will give me beautiful grandchildren. Oh. You have to come together and make it work.
Don't agree with that moro head.
Down. You have to make it work yourself. I told you a lot of things, so allow it to work, okay?
Did you like saying fine? With your head will be like what's
as if he's not fine. You told me my son is fine. Go and sit down. He's fine. Don't worry, it will work, okay?
Boss of the bosses. Boss of the bosses. Abba, happy married life, bro. Oh God, that's why your wife fine, no?
You shut up. You think she's my wife? Wait, is this why you didn't call to inform me about this development?
But boss, na picture dey parlor now. And then your mama bring her come. Then I just say make I free. Everything say na Sunday baby you go marry. But boss, I just dey wait for my own bottles. Make I drink.
Jide, how will I get married and you don't know about it? She's not my wife. It was my mom that married her for me.
Now your mama marry her for you.
I'm telling you.
In this day, people see they do that kind of thing. I don't want. She come. She just they clean, they sweep everywhere like herself. But she get respect. I don't go lie. She get respect. You know, be like Sandy baby down. You know, say that one they craze for her. She go don't they carry face any of one.
Mr. Jide, excuse you. But it seems this our closeness is beginning to birth insult. Watch it.
No vex. Now because she just talk the matter, now I see make her talk.
Right now I am very, very angry. How could my mom do this to me? Going to the village, fetching some village girl for me to marry? In this dispensation, I don't just... The whole thing is just... Oh God.
The matter still the shock me, sha. No, marry no be by force. Why she could do that kind of thing for you? But as I dey look at the girl get prospect.
Prospect.
Yeah, you get prospect.
This girl.
Na good girl.
A girl that can't even express herself in a simple, correct grammar.
Grandma no be marriage, oga. Grandma no be marriage, yo.
Whatever. The thing is that this girl is not for me. She's not for me at all. She's not my class. She's not my type. Alright? Next time, if this kind of thing happens, please call me. Alright?
Well, boss, I just want to tell you one thing. As my mind dey reason, I just make I tell you.
Okay.
This girl where I dey see, the girl na good girl. In mind dey ground. You know, no get any, and it go good for you. I don't see her. I say make I tell you, but now you should be boss. So now anyone you want do, you go do. But as my church man dey tell me, I say make I tell you. Understand? But I go see the expect the bottles now. Boss, married man.
This one goes yes, make it stand. Don't lie it. Okay. Just your dress.
Baba Kitty, good morning.
Mom, good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
Fine. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
So is that your wife just greeted you?
Mom, she is not my wife.
He's responsible for greeting.
Morning.
Good morning, Baba Kitty. See, I cook breakfast for you where you go chop and the thing hot very. Make you chop and before you go.
I am not hungry. I'll eat out.
Eat out, kwa. Maka, why? When you have a beautiful wife in the house, do you know this lady woke up since 4:30 to cook this food for you? No, now you don't do that to a woman. It's wrong.
And see, Baba Kitty, this food sweet well. I put for cooler for you. The one where you go carry go
Take away.
Work. Yes, take away. If hungry catch you for there, you chop am. You go like and just chop am.
Thank you.
Baba Kitty, wait now. Wait till you go and chop when you come back.
When I return from work, I will not be hungry.
You go hungry. You go hungry. You go like egusi and dotaraja. I go panda where we go the draw. Go like am.
Oh God.
Baba Kitty.
What?
Have a nice day, son.
I do like this. Good
Girl.
Even do like look.
Girl, you will not kill me. Good girl. I'm proud of you.
Thank
You
you,
see,
Mama.
food is the way to the man's heart.
Yes.
This generation, their own is open to doors and windows to their
That
hearts.
one, now later I go lay down. Make I go do. Oh yeah, go do the hair so that I go do am before you come back.
Cook and well, oh. Fine girl.
Now you are the fine. You be madam. I no be madam. I beg. My name na Teresa. I cook can't give you.
You could give.
Wetin dey pursue you? I dey bring food, you dey go back.
No,
Na the food dey pursue you.
I won't enter the food. Madam, you cook food, give me.
No be house you dey. I cook food, can't give you.
Hey! Madam, you never enter. You don't dey show boys love.
This
I tell you, food will go sweet. Maybe taste time. By the aroma, I go don't know.
The food sweet nice, sweet very.
Madam, thank you.
I don't tell you say I no be madam, but no problem.
Madam Terry.
You there for the house. Every time when I cook, I go bring for you, you go chop. No be
You go to bring food, come give me.
I beg, no be you dey stay for here. I be get another place where you dey stay.
Madam, make I tell you something. Wey you no know now. I'm not in charge of this place. You don't wait for here. Nobody fit unseat you.
This one where you dey
Madam.
talk for na get man talk for
Madam,
seafood.
make I tell you, you don't wait for here.
Because
Now
of
you
food.
get this place.
Because just chop.
You are the madam of the house.
No problem.
Ha!
I don't hear.
Madam, thank you so much.
If you chop finish, may you bring my food.
I go wash am, bring am.
Wahala.
And tomorrow. Hey, God.
Hey, Mama Kitty, welcome. For saving bread, welcome.
What? What?
I don't dey wait for you since make you come back as husband and wife now, so that we go chop
Did
together.
I ask you to wait for me? Did I?
But now my husband you be now, two of us go chop together. That's what they do.
Teresa, listen. I don't want you doing things for me. Okay? Since you have refused to leave my house, stay on your lane. Cook your food, eat, and do not bother me. Alright? When you and my mom are done with this whole charade, you both can rest. Right now I had a long day and I need to rest. Excuse me.
But now food now I'm do
By
for
the
you.
way, where is my mom?
Your mom what?
Yes.
Ha. She not tell you.
Tell me what?
Your mom don't go.
Wait, my mom has left
She don't go her house.
without telling me? Then why didn't you go with her then? What else are you doing in my house?
Go with her kwa.
Yes!
No be husband house I come.
You are very sick. Who's your husband?
Now you be
Will you get out of my presence? Get out!
As you come back, I suppose you like baby. Make I bring the food.
If I see you there, why would my mom leave the... What's this? What the hell is this? Goodness. Mom, first you left my house without telling me. Secondly, you didn't go with Teresa. Why?
I left her behind because she's now your wife. See, you left me no choice. All these years I have begged you to bring me a wife, but you refused. Now I have brought you one. You are still complaining.
Mom, listen. This thing you're doing is not going to work. Okay? I'll not be held responsible for anything that happens to her. Okay? You better come and pick her. Please. For once, take responsibility. You are not a married man. Take care of your home. Why don't you give her a trial? Mom, give her a trial. You know I have a woman in my life. Mom, for the last time, I will not be held responsible if anything happens to her. I've said my own. Oh.
Put your hand for your shoulder. Come, baby. Baby, now you can. Baby. Shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Shakira, Shakira. I never know you can dance like that. You can punish. Shak, Shakira, Shakira. I never know you do it like this. You can punish. Come on tonight, baby. Come,
Don't touch me.
Mm.
Are you done?
I love you, talk your own.
Are you done? Okay.
Come, baby, for bed. Talk to the husband and wife too.
Okay, that's fine. I give you 1 minute to leave my room.
Be your wife, now.
So I give you 1 minute to leave this room.
Baby.
Think I'm joking, right? Get out of this room. Who's your baby? Get out of this room. Get out of this room. Come on. Get out.
Can you imagine this girl? Wait, what was she trying to do? Seduce me? With your... Oh goodness me. She even did shake it. Oh my god, no, I've had it up. Oh goodness me.
At all, this thing no go fit work. No go fit work. I think go just dey for your own. Trouble go just waka come meet am.
Why you here to talk to yourself? What's happened?
Jide, you see for this life, if you no match trouble, na the wrapper wey you tie, na him go drag that trouble come give you. I dey jeje o, I dey village, dey sell my up, I dey happy. Mama don come say e get husband wey he wan give me make I marry. Say na him pikin, say go marry me.
Okay.
I say okay, say she sure well. Say the pikin like me. I don leave everything wey I dey do. I don come here because say even since wey I dey village, I don talk of my mind say na odogu wife now I wan be. Say I wan marry big man.
You don't marry the big man now.
You know wetin happen now? I don go in room. Lie down for bed na as wife I be don pursue me. Dey curse my papa, dey curse my mama.
No, that one no good. But you know say as man go wan do shakara. But you know say they marry you give am. No be say him can't toast you. You just come. You go calm down. You go you be woman now. You go know as you go take meander inside the heart.
Meander inside the heart.
Yes, now just small. Go just dey move. Before you know it, you are inside.
This thing be like something wey go work for your eye.
You go walk.
This thing go work.
You go walk. Na me dey tell you.
Okay.
No be my oga, I know am now. And you sef, you be correct person. You go walk. And this I don't like as your face dey be like this.
How my face? Why you want make my face stay big?
No do your face like that.
How you want make the face stay big?
Arrange your face well. If you dey do face like this, he no go see you now.
Arrange my face how?
If you do face like this, how you want make him see you? You no go see you well now. No worry. I know they like as your face. I just dey there, they see you. I say, why your face be like this?
Now me come out here so that you go see me, come tell me sorry.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, you go back inside now. No, just deal like this. You go arrange yourself, you go inside. You go see you. You be woman, you go know as you go take. Eh? I know they like make your face, they be like this. So.
Come on in, babe.
Babe?
Yes?
Who's this?
Okay. This is the lady I told you my mom married for me. I've told her constantly to go back to her village, but she is stubborn.
Who's stubborn?
You.
Who's stubborn?
You.
No be me suppose they ask you where you carry this person come from. Me will be your wife. No know where you carry this one. Will be like mommy what type na come from.
If I slap you,
You go slap me. Me? Slap me now. No, first slap me now. The one where I go woza you now. This your head go come out.
Please, that's
say
enough.
Go slap me.
That's enough. Alright? That's enough. How dare you talk to my woman like this? Are you
Why
okay?
she go there talk to me like that?
I don't understand. Are you sick? Do I know who you are? Did I marry you?
Your mama marry me.
That makes you my mother's wife.
I be your wife.
That makes my mother's wife, not mine. Okay?
It's your wife.
Listen, I never consented to whatever you and my mom planned. Are you hearing me? Alright, when you're done being this delusional, you can sort yourself out. Babe, please, can we go upstairs?
yeah.
Alright, don't stress yourself. Come on.
Mame water. Nonsense. The talk that one go see she go slap me. I didn't say you try raise that your hand, just come near me. If I woza you, the one who go woza you, that your head go come out. See as it be, mame water. Apuna. Idiot.
Stop. That's it. Stop.
What's in it?
Oh my god. Maybe stop. Stop. Yeah. I'm gonna eat you out. Oh, I'm gonna rock you like shower.
This thing Morgan they do, e no good. E no good at all. This thing wey they do no good.
Wetin happen again? Tell me wetin happen.
See person wey dem bring say na me be im wife. Since I don enter this house, e never touch me for one day. Na this yellow girl don come now. E dey hold am, dey kiss am. Two of them now don enter inside room. The girl dey laugh.
Why you come dey cry? No dey cry.
No, make I dey laugh now. Make I dey laugh.
Face no dey good when you dey cry. Make I tell you, no be this thing no be magic. No be like this, it go just happen. You just wait time you come. Eh? You go calm down with time.
You own na calm down for waiting now. When I go calm down reach.
Terry, you go. Na strategy you go take enter this thing. Dey watch am. From time to time, you go come move close.
Move close, make I move close, make it slap me.
You no go slap you. You no go slap you. But no do this one where you go dey cry. Cry no dey look good oh. Cry no dey look good. You go just your face go just.
Leave and that the way I dey feel for inside my heart.
Don't worry. He go come around. He go soon see you. But this Sandra girl, they don't tell 1 year now, and he love that girl well. He love her.
Jide, wait first, make I ask you. Now which person side you dey? When they talk this kind of thing, when they talk, now which person side you dey?
I dey your side
you
now.
You dey my side, now this type of thing you suppose they tell me.
But me, I like to dey talk truth.
Like to dey talk truth.
It go happen, don't worry. But you don't get with her.
Mama, I beg, come carry me go. I no do again. No do. I beg.
Teresa, this thing can work. I believe it.
The thing no go fit work again. Since all the time wey I don dey for this house, you no dey even look my side, you no dey follow me do anything. You come dey tell me say give it time. Which time I wan give am again? Abeg, you better say make I go for my papa house go stay.
But wait, have you been doing everything I asked you?
I don do everything. You no get wetin be say person wan do for this life wey I never do. The bestest thing wey I fit do, I don do am. You no dey still look me. So make I just carry my bag dey go. Come carry me abeg. I no dey do again. Come carry me o, cause me I dey wait for you make you come. This kind thing. Baby you say fine. No name you fine.
Teresa! Teresa! Should I clap for you? You served food without water. Go and bring the water. Don't they serve food with water and where you come from?
This guy no dey send me message o, make I tell you. I no be your house girl.
Why not eating that?
Want me to choke? Don't spoil it. Just carefully pour. Can you not pour my water with so much anger? It's going to make me lose my appetite. So stop. Excuse me. Can you bring the cup here?
My hand don't go fit reach there. My husband there, if you chop finish, I put the one for cooler where you go carry take go work.
Okay.
Why are you being so nice? You actually think you can keep a man with food? Good luck.
But now the same food where I keep you for there where you dey chop. Makes sense.
Babe, all that wasn't necessary. I mean, why were you so harsh?
Harsh.
Yes.
Baby, it's necessary. Because people like her, they need to be put in their place. Okay? They're like a virus, and if you don't control it, it spreads. Now eat your food before you get cold. Oh my god, this is actually good.
What?
What?
What did you say?
I said the food is sweet.
Oh, really? But you said a while ago that it wasn't.
So you want me to compliment her so her head will be swelling? I'm a woman. This is a battle that we know how to fight. Please leave me alone. My food is really good though.
I hear you. I hear you. But you no need to tell me. I know say my food sweet. It's sweet. And you sit down there, the chopper. It don't sweet you. Talk through. Nothing go do you. It's sweet, I mean not sweet. It's sweet. Now wait till someone say. Chakamaka. It's sweet, I mean not sweet. It's sweet. It's sweet you. Chop am. Chop it well.
Mom?
Christian James Madeke Jr. So you are committing adultery in Lagos?
Adultery? What do you mean adultery, Mom? What are you talking about?
Yes, you are committing adultery. If not, tell me why a boy raised in the church will come to Lagos and forget everything. So that Delilah girl is in your house. Don't you know that you're a married man?
Mom, what are you talking about? There's no Jezebel or Delilah in my house. Just me and my girlfriend, Sandra. That's all.
Your girlfriend. You are still doing girlfriend at your age. Your wife is in your house. Hey, James, so... Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Now I know where you're getting all these things from. But Mom, this is not a good time for me, okay? Then again, Mom, I need you to come to the house and take away this monitoring spirit you brought to my house. If I do something stupid, we both will regret. Okay? Thank you.
So it's me that your mother is calling Delilah and Jezebel and what else?
Babe.
No, babe. No. So Teresa is now a monitoring spirit and telling your mother everything that's happening underneath this roof. Don't worry.
Babe, come on. Relax now. Everything is not violence. Okay? Relax, let me handle this. I'll handle it, I promise you. I will.
Babe, if it wasn't for the respect I have for you, I will go there right now and show that girl what I'm made of.
Babe, don't worry, okay? You don't need to show her all your powers. Especially the ones you've not used.
Babe, this is not a joke.
I'm sorry. And then again, about earlier. I'm sorry, okay? You need to pay her attention. Come on, she's just a village girl playing, alright? I'm a classic queen. Look at you. Come on, look at that smile. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. If you continue like this, I will not go to work today.
Then.
Oh, come on. Smile for me. Smile. Come on.
Who be that? Baba Nkiti. Good morning. You dey vex? Now who vex you?
It is bad enough that my mom is forcing you down my throat. But serving as a monitoring spirit in my life is something I will not condone.
Monitoring spirit.
What did you tell my mom?
I'm not telling your mama anything. No.
So how come she knows Sandra is in this house?
That Sandra too, wetin she dey do for the house? You and me na husband and wife. She come dey for it. Wetin she dey find?
Listen, and listen very good. Stay out of my business. If you push me, I'll throw you out of this house before my mom comes for you. Do you understand that? Teresa. Teresa.
I understand.
Avoid me.
Me sef, I don't call your mama make you come carry me. Because I don't want to stay again sef. No want again. Okay, mama just come carry me make I come out from this house. Nonsense.
Did you see that?
Guy is fast.
My husband.
Your what?
Food done ready.
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? I'm tired of that husband thing in this house. If you want to say something, say something. Who's your husband?
Babe, it's fine, okay? It's okay. What is it?
My husband, and food done ready. Make you come chop.
God, which food? That poison that you cooked. Can't you smell the way the whole house smells? We've polluted the whole place. No, thank you. You can eat it by yourself.
Teresa? We are going to come and eat when we are...
Why are you encouraging this?
Babe.
No, why are you encouraging this? Eat what? We're not eating anything that she made. So if she cooked poison, the whole thing that's polluting the house, she should go and eat it herself.
Stay go to this. Make I keep up for you to drop.
It's fine, but babe, the food smells nice.
Oh God, babe, you're actually pissing me off. Enough. Okay? Listen. If you want me to cook for you, I'll take my time in the kitchen. I'll make you food. You eat that first, and then you can eat it later.
Okay.
But for now, let's cuddle and watch a movie.
You want to watch film? Watch film finish, we go chop food. See your pants, they show. No, open up.
It's an English film, so I don't know if you can understand.
But here, the perspiration you finish, you go. Let me be your wife. Rat! Knock it on. No, continue to the job. Rat, big rat. I think say he said the food no sweet. Eh? Now everybody don't sleep, you don't pium, enter. They chop the food. Now the sweet don't. Wait till they do eye toin. Eh? Rat, no be wetin you be. Go and chop am. Hey! See how she even carry the thing. This girl, eh? Rat, the food no sweet. You cook poison. Now the poison now you don't sneak inside for night to come control. Rat, where you dey? Where you dey? You don't go up. No shit.
Where are you going dressed like that?
I dey go market.
Which market? With who? You can't wear that when I'm wearing this. So go change.
Babe, that's alright, okay? You can just drop her off.
Drop her off where? We're not doing that, okay? Like I said, I'm looking like this, so she can't go with us wearing this rag. Or she wants to take public transport.
Babe, we're all taking the same route, okay? It won't cost a thing. Let's just drive her to the market.
It's going to cost a lot. I can't go out looking this good and she's coming with us. Or you want me to stay back and let you guys go together?
No, babe, listen, it hasn't got into that, okay? It hasn't. Alright?
Okay, so like my man, do the needful. Now.
Teresa, can you find your way to the market?
Yes, sir. It's a read.
Please. Are you happy now?
Yes. Let's go.
Me wear this thing like this now. You say I wear rag. You wait till you come wear. Oh, ayaga. That's the way you wear and the way me I wear. Which one better?
Terry.
So now you
Alpha.
you see. I think again, make this my clothes now.
Yeah.
This clothes when I get anything to this clothes. This clothes no hot.
Look at it.
See now. See.
You fine now, fine. But all this place don't fade.
This place
Na
will
the
fade.
pattern.
Yes, that's what it be. You said it. Tell me say don't fade. You see this Sandra girl now with you. Tell me say make I go come out the thing while we say it be like rag.
No, nah. It not be
This
like
clothes
that.
like this way hot for my body.
He fine, he hot.
This girl they find my trouble.
No,
I been a jealousy now they do her.
if it be. No, due to the vex. I don't think sit down. No, they let this girl they stress you like this. No, they let them they stress
Talk
you.
nonsense. Talk nonsense upon that too. You go they control my husband put on top.
See, They don't leave you, Abi, no problem. I go give you money, you go market, you go buy food, you go chop. You go do okay.
Just I know just wear this one come out like this because the cloth hot.
No, they go they look you for road. They go market.
Why they no go look me? As this one no want. Make I go. Make you see say I go carry people wey fine pass and come back.
No carry anybody. They go market. I dey come. Give money to go market, you chop. You alright?
Hot gown wey dey like this. Now you say I wear rag. She sef for the wear rag. She no dey see herself. As I just dey now, just waka from here now, I reach there. You go see plenty people wey go just dey do me. If you see that bros, then they look me. See you.
No say na me they sing for. I too get sense. Follow who know road. Ah! Oh, I wise. No be today. No be say today. No be say yesterday. E dey body.
All these things wey you dey do now because of this shirt wey oga dash you.
Who dey talk shit? I dey talk money, dey talk shit. 20 pa dey my pocket as I dey talk to you so. Kilo so. Hey, I too wise. I dey tell you, say I too wise. Ah!
This one wey you dey say you smart, you do this one. Hope say you never go thief person money.
See, I do one small better business now. 20 pa dey load for my pocket.
20,000.
Yes. Oga send me make I go buy something for him, make I go run one thing for him. I can't reach there. They say, I say how much? They say 120. I say, come on, get that of there. 120 for what? Price am. 80k. 20k enter my pocket to sharply. If I don't get sense, how I want to take me 20,000 naira?
Wait oh. Oga send you something.
Yeah.
Give you 100,000. Now you don't buy this thing, buy it for 80,000.
Yes.
The remaining 20,000 now make you emperor and conqueror.
Now business where I do now.
Which business you do?
What did they talk? I do business. I make 20k.
Jide, go carry Oga 20,000, go give him. The money no be your money.
Come on, which one will not be my money?
Okay.
No.
Go give him him money. He better say you give him that money, tell you say, Jide, take this one. And here you go chop him with your calm mind, with your good mind. Because you self know say that money no be your own.
Now my own. You won't go tell him. Now you go tell him.
Wetin concern me if you find out tomorrow, say the thing where you send you go buy now 80,000, you buy, say no be 100,000. Wetin concern me? You carry another person money, put for pocket, they say you don't get money, say na foundational, wetin you call am, for on top another person money. No go give am money until they catch you. Na here I go dey. Me, I don't tell you. Na here I go dey, the day wey go happen. You carry another person money, dey straight to be emperor, champion.
That's how I'm going to tell you things again.
Abeg no tell me. You better say I no hear the thing. You better. So that when it go happen, I go know say I know dey. You go have person go send you something. The money na your money. You won't come chop from where you know cheap.
Na business I do.
Business.
I even want to say make I buy you one or two things.
That type of business, no, they don't buy me anything from that kind of thief money. That thief money be that. You don't know say na thief you be.
Which one be thief?
Jide, you better say you give Oga this money. Say Jide, take. You go chop and your mind go there at peace.
If I buy you fish now, we no get bone, you no go happen.
I know they chop that kind of thing. I know fit chop.
How long is Teresa going to be here? Because I actually hate the sight of her.
Well, babe. Everything my mom is doing is to pin her on me. But that is not happening.
That's not happening.
Yes.
It is happening. She lives in the same house with us. She's practically your wife. So it's happening, James.
Babe. I already made my stand known. Tell my mom I'm not going to marry that girl. It is you that I want.
Then marry me. James, that girl makes fun of me every day. She says I'm not your wife. And she's right. I am not. I am your girlfriend and that's the stamp that I have.
Listen. Don't let this girl get into your head and mess you up. Okay, come on. She's no match to you. She's dirty village girl and you're classy and beautiful. Okay, don't let her get into your head. Relax. It's you and nobody else.
We've been saying this for how many months now? How many months, James? We've been together for over a year and you haven't done anything. I'm still a girlfriend. If you want me to still be here tomorrow, if you want me to take all of this, make it official.
Listen. Before Fariza came, we are building. Alright? We are building our lives together. We are building this union together. It's not, you want it to be strong. You know where we're going. You understand the goal, right? All of a sudden she showed up and you're letting her get you worked up? No, focus. Alright? Listen, focus on us. You're the one I love, not her. Alright? Okay?
God, that's the way you talk don't happen.
Wetin be that?
You 20k a wolf, don't run my belly. Thank God say you follow me talk that day.
Eh?
Therefore, don't sack me now.
Abeg, wetin happen?
That person where I go buy things from. Him and Oga, they know each other.
Sure.
Therefore, don't sack me. If you say I no get sense.
If to say you no get sense, abi if to say I no tell you say make you carry the money go, but you don't give them the money.
I return the money and she be put fear for my mind now.
Why no go put fear? She don't return the money now. E no good for you. Because of
God.
ordinary 20,000 now.
Huh?
I don't pursue you come out from the house. Eh?
Thank God say I listen to you.
See, you see for this life,
Huh?
nothing there. E dey better say you dey you keep your hand clean. If something dey white, don't say na white e dey o. Not tell I say but e be like say e dey milk color. Don't talk now, please.
Well, thank you.
Welcome.
Just like that. Try this Teresa na better person. No. If he be village girl, but he get good heart. That good heart he get her. See better advice wey she give me now. If I don't lose my job, oh, try. Because of say I want your 20k on top of 100k. Oh, wow, if you just sack me for nothing. The girl get sense.
Excuse me. Get out of this kitchen. I want to cook for my man. I said get out.
You dey craze? No, you dey craze. You want to cook for which man? Eh? Okay, because I keep you quiet, abi, you dey open eye. Mind yourself for this girl. Mind yourself.
Teresa, how dare you talk to me in that manner?
I beg, who you be when I no go talk to you? Who you be where I no go talk to you? Because I leave you. You enter house, you won't be second wife by force. You know, see, say the best way they has get wife. You know, see, for night you go enter in room, go sleep. They follow my husband, they do adultery. Because I keep you quiet, abi? I keep you quiet. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself, wait for this house.
You know what? I won't stand here and take this insult from you.
Sit down and take the insult. Sit down and take am. Nonsense. See as it dey. Okay, sit down and take the insult. Like that and take am.
Why were you disrespecting my woman?
Ha. Disrespect what?
Yes.
Who disrespect am? I disrespect you?
Yes.
I tell am the truth. Now you wrong go call police. You think say na who first call police dey win case? Now wetin you think?
She was abusing me. She was saying very mean things to me.
Why you no use your mouth to insult me back? Why you no use my mouth to insult? You go call am now.
Shut up.
I am police now.
Shut up.
And call me.
What's the problem? How dare you insult my wife in my presence? Have you got nuts? Are you crazy? This your collective delusion with my mom has got to stop. It has gone on too far. And I'm sick and tired of it. Alright? If you push me, Teresa, I'll put you in your place. Alright? Careful. Don't insult her anymore. Babe? It's fine, okay?
Yes, it is.
Just ignore her, right?
Now we know who the madam of the house is. Okay? So next time when I'm speaking to you, you listen or you leave the house.
Akuna, my pot come out from fire. He come out, and if they cook my food, you come out them, who be madam? Come out them.
Maid.
Who be maid?
Babe!
Wrong. Babe! No go fit fight if you okay. Oh babe. Babe, come fight.
I don't tire. Abeg, wetin happen sef? I go just dey go be like say na me dey force myself, dey put for where person dey and the person no still gree. See, when I dey for our village, I know how many people dey pursue me, dey use style dey come our house say they want make we go fetch water, make we go bring firewood. But I no gree. If no be say I get big dream, say I wan become oga wife, when they call me oga wife, say make e get money. Wetin I go dey here with this person wey be like wetin I no know go dey insult me.
So wait, calm
I
down.
dey go, abeg.
Yeah, you join the you dey go. You dey go village. Okay. Which money you get?
Which money?
Which money you want carry go
I make the
village
person
now?
wey carry me come here, come carry me go back.
No, relax. Don't be like that. I know say you know they happy for here, but you go calm down. Now me they tell you, you relax. This my guy where you dey see, now good guy. Forget everything wey dey happen, now good guy. And everything go still come dey normal.
Wetin wan dey normal? This thing no go fit dey normal again. So e just better say make I go. Eh?
Relax.
See you
Terry.
as e be sef. Yeah. Okay. For im mind, me I no fine. E dey find how many city girls sef fine pass me?
I know.
I mean na because I no dey do all those things wey dem dey do.
I know. You fine. But you go calm down. Don't worry, everything go still come back on day normal.
Make e no dey normal again. I don tire. Which type of insult be all these ones?
Calm down. Your body dey hot.
See, na small boy sef o. Make I if you see the big people wey dey find me.
I know.
People wey get am old, pass you sef.
Which one will get up pass me? You don't see me. You see me.
See you wetin? I dey talk of people wey be like giant. You be like giant.
They go dey smell. Me I know they smell.
Who be this one?
Oga James no try. He no try. Shey he no see say this girl na better person. Wife material na him be. Person wey go gather, he go build him home well for am. All these Lagos girls, they follow them. Those some people say na pretense, they just dey pretend up and down. Anyway, na in life or na in choice. Me, I never see money. But if I see money, I know what I go do. Make Oga James no go just make mistake wey he go regret o. Hey.
Now why you comot the thing while they watch?
No, shut up. Still house. Oh my God!
Now your TV be this.
What's wrong with you?
Now your TV be this. Now your house be this.
Why are your hands so strong?
It makes liver. Now so you strong. Why your own soft? Nonsense. Come put this thing back, oh. You get this at the full and plate.
warned you not to
Where
push
you
me.
want to make I go?
Warned you not to push me. And now you're pushing me. Get out.
I don't get anywhere where I know
Get
I
out!
won't go. I don't get anywhere where I know that I won't go.
Get out. I won't let you push me, right?
Get anywhere where I
So I'll see you in my house no more.
because you give me any money, you they push me, they come up. Where you want to make I go? Where you want to make I go? Make you go open this door for me.
Wetin happen again? Wetin happen?
I know for I'm going to tell me say make I go. Transport money you no give me. If they tell me say make I come up for Akko.
Right. Wait.
Oh, wait for waiting.
Calm down.
You your own everything. Calm down.
Hey!
Tell me calm down.
Welcome. So you go just stay here for tonight. Hmm? Don't look this place, say they okay. And it's just like as you dey outside. You go reach 7 days now, my guy go pay me. I go give you small money for that. You go village.
See, nothing to your house such day. I not just believe for this my life. Say this kind thing fit do me.
You know the reason now too much. He dey vex. My guy dey vex, and why you do wetin you do? Oh no, where everything go dey okay. At least make you just go on for outside. You go chop something.
I'm not dey hungry.
Yeah. Dey bed now. I go dey floor, don't worry.
Which one they tell me dey bed now?
Okay, no vex. Let's see where I go. Abi you go bath?
Make I stand first.
They come.
Tell me dey bed now, dey bed now. I think I won't dey bed too. For now, the same thing.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Doesn't look like you're fine. What's the problem? You don't like the food?
I like the food, but
But you prefer Teresa's food to mine. Say it.
what are you talking about? Anyways, talking about Teresa, I am worried. Since 2 days I asked her to leave this house. I've neither heard from her, nor from my mom, if she got home safe.
James, it's actually funny. You actually care about this woman. You care what happens to her. You sent her out and you still care about her. After I've made you this beautiful meal, we're talking about Teresa.
Sandra, you surprise me, honestly. You do. Thanks for the food.
You're actually gonna walk away. James, you're actually walking away. Even when this woman is not in this house, she actually controls what happens here.
This life, they go like this. Maybe say one time I get money, everything they go well for me. Business they go well, everything they go well. Small time now everything scatter. But I go thank God now. At this, when there's life, there's hope.
That time when you get money, why you no come marry? At least born pikin, give your wife money.
I go won't marry. I don't dey plan marry like this. I ain't business just begin fail. Now by myself, I tell the girl say, maybe no do am. Because I don't want to make you suffer. And I thank God say I talk that thing because after that one now, things just come worse. My sister, this is what they tell you. I dey sleep for street oh. I dey sleep street. Things dey very bad. I don't do any kind of job. Many kind of job. If I can see this agency where I dey, come give me this job. At least I get roof over my head.
See when you see yourself, no go know say you don't suffer well. So you don't see money well before.
I see money. I don't see suffer. I don't see both of them.
That make you can't draw these things for everybody.
That time, my man dey school.
You don't know what to do with money.
This one, even before I see money, this one, I mean, I did school. You know, as guy man now, you go. Which school you go?
Which one be say which school I go? I not tell you say na for village I dey sell up man.
Because you no go, so if you go school, you go know this thing what they talk about. But I thank God all the same.
You don't do aburu work before.
No, that one I work. I even one reason I want to say my head no go carry on.
But if like say gate man better pass aburu.
You better pass. I be security, no be gate man.
Gate man say security. Which you be security?
I learned this work.
Aburu, like sorry, no be aburu. Gate man. Now you dey open gate, dey close gate.
I dey open gate, dey close gate, but now me dey secure.
This is the secure. You get go.
It's only gonna take secure.
Yes.
Secure.
Babe.
Yes.
Baby.
Yes.
What's going on with us? Ever since I've known you, you've never raised your voice at me. You've never walked away from a conversation. So what's happening?
I just got off the phone with my mother. She has not seen Teresa yet.
Are you kidding me? Honestly. I'm trying to talk to you about us, our relationship, and you're bringing up Teresa again. She's a full-grown adult.
And adult doesn't know her whereabouts. Listen, babe, the fact that I don't want her does not excuse the fact that she was under my care. And now I have to account for her whereabouts. Don't you get it?
Are you trying to blame me for this? Wait, are you blaming me for this? Should I remind you that you're the person that kicked her out of your house?
Now you are blaming me for this, right? Were you not the one that dragged me into your female mess? Oh God, I should have known better. I should have.
See, babe, what I'm trying to say is this. You say you don't care about this person, but all of a sudden you're so concerned about them. Maybe you've changed your mind about her.
You know, sometimes I wonder how you think and how you comprehend things. Listen, Teresa was and is not the problem, okay? I don't know why you're being too insecure. Excuse me?
You're walking away again.
Mom, there's no point for you to come here, okay?
Then where is Teresa? It has been days now. Where is the girl that I left in your house? What do I tell her parents?
Mom, I've been calling her severally, but her number is not connecting.
Maybe her battery is dead or something.
Okay? I know she will call me back. Alright? Mom, I promise you, I'm going to find her. So stop worrying.
Then where is Teresa? It has been days now. Where is the girl that I left in your house? I married a wife for you, and that Delilah sent her away. If by weekend I don't hear anything, I'm coming to that Lagos. You'll kill me too if that's your plan.
Mom, no one is killing anyone, okay? No one is killing anyone. Relax. I told you I'll find her, okay?
Bro,
What is it?
I just finished washing the car. But I can't say 2 of the car don't go down. We need to come back.
Alright, I'll do that later. Thank you.
Was everything day okay? Your face strong. Oh.
Please sit. Do you know if Teresa had a friend here? Because she's yet to be home.
She never come as daddy.
I'm telling you. Her phone is switched off. My mom is almost having a panic attack.
Oh, that's 2 days now. I know she also she get any friend like that. She don't get any friend. But I just dey think if you give her money that day, if you don't go back to village.
That is one thing I regret not doing.
Ah.
I was too angry to think.
No, anger sometimes if you be say she don't sell that phone, use and do transport fare, go back to village.
No, it's fine. I would like to be left alone.
Okay.
Alright. And thank you.
No problem. Just take her easy.
Alright.
When I dey tell you something, make you dey believe me. I tell you say my oga na better person. Now him dey worry. Worry won't kill am.
Worry.
If you see am, he don't lean. Just dey worry. Mama sef don't join. Say make you go find you. Wetin do your phone sef? Wetin do?
Off am. I no wan talk to anybody. When dem give you money, him go soon give you money. When him pay you, he go give me small transport money. I go village. Make I go tell them say this man say he no like me at all at all.
Even if he no like you, he dey worry you.
Him dey worry na because I no dey the house again. That time I dey house, him dey look me. He no dey even look my side. Even if I greet am, he go use nose then answer me. Now I don comot, him don dey find me. Make he dey him own. Make I dey my own. Make everybody just dey. I go village. Go stay.
I no chase you for here.
But I go still go na.
Huh? I never see am worry like that before.
Then dey worry.
Teresa, me I don't dey like you. I no go lie. If you be saying I love self, if you na Chidera, you miss one make I marry everything scatter. All these years we are dey hustle. Now I don't see one way I love, but now my oga wife. Which kind of head I get? Teresa no deserve all this wahala wey they give her. You no deserve her. God. I do anything now and I betray her. God a good guy. They try for me. That's what I can't do now.
Babe. What's going on? Baby, I don't like seeing you in this light. I've never seen you like this. What's going through your head? Talk to me. I don't want that Teresa girl to come between us.
Babe, Teresa is not the problem. I don't know how many times I will explain this to you for you to comprehend the full extent of the matter on ground.
So what's the matter on ground? No, James, tell me, what's the matter on ground? That you care more about the woman they brought from the village for you? You care more about her than me, your own woman? I don't understand this. How do you think this makes me feel?
Babe, I am not cut out for this drama this time. Alright? I mean, what is there not to understand? Is it difficult to comprehend? Listen, someone under my care is missing and I have to be answerable for it. Okay? I have to provide her. Alright? It's not the same as choosing her over you if that is your fear. If you don't tell the difference, then I don't know what else to say.
Really?
Yes!
Okay, that's fine. Stay there and think about Teresa.
What is there not to understand? Ah, goodness.
Hey, you keep face like this now. Okay, at least see the things you are back home for you.
I beg, I don't tire to the chop. I won't come out outside. Make I come out outside, make someone even touch my body.
Okay, so if you come out outside now, you know say they go see you. Once we make a salad boss.
Wait till I come be person where they prison. Na prison be this
You know
place.
they prison. You know they prison. Just be patient now. 2 days remain now, they go pay me salary. I go carry you go village.
I cannot be patient again. I won't come out outside.
Okay, you know what? I beg. See, cake deal. I buy cake. Oh. Okay, see. When you play game, at this time I'm gonna take your mind off her.
Play with game.
What? You don't know what?
I know they play cha-cha, believe me.
No be cha-cha. What? You don't know what?
I know they play, I know some play.
I go teach you. You go market.
I go market. Now you go tell me what you want for this thing. I go come play the thing.
See person I just teach. You dey teach me. Go market, my friend.
I no go market now. You go first time with you put what?
Oh yeah, okay. Give me circle.
I need star.
Circle.
I need star last card.
Okay. Shock you.
Yay! Jesus!
It's so cute.
You don't have you already. Ah no, you're good. You're good. Let me play again. You play again.
Okay.
Now I mean I be good teacher. I be good teacher.
I know the thing. I'm just because I know.
You say na cha-cha.
Yes, na cha-cha. You put money.
Everything like money to suit you. Yeah, play.
Why they put
No, they check window.
Let's give me no shuffle.
Who dey outside today? No, now they check outside. 7.
5:13.
My friend, come on, take her.
I need you kind.
So they look my card.
Now you first look my own.
Collect it.
Babe? Why are you packing your stuff? What are you doing? You're packing your stuffs.
I'm packing my things so I can leave your house.
What do you mean leave my house? What's going on?
James, you know what? I've been thinking about this whole situation and I just figured out what the problem is. It's you.
Me?
You're the problem. Because if you did what you needed to do and put a definition on what we have, maybe your mother wouldn't need to go to the village to find a wife for you and bring her over here.
Babe, listen. Yeah, I know my mom always say you're stubborn and all that, but then I usually defend you, okay? I defend you, babe.
Why are you defending me? Maybe she's right. James, maybe she's right. She doesn't like me for whatever reason that's known to her, and that's fine. She's brought a wife for you to marry. Happy marriage. Let me go.
Babe. Listen. She's not my type, okay? You are my type. Look at you. Classic. You're beautiful. That is what I want. You're the kind of woman I want. I already told you that it's you that I want, okay? Listen, just tell me. What do you want me to do? How do you want me to prove that you're the one I want? Just tell me anything. I'll do it.
James, I want what she has.
Which is?
A bragging right.
What be that?
You know, say, as me and them, now husband and wife, this place where I dey now, if he see me for here, he go vex, and the thing go cause problem for you.
I know now. I know say it go cause problem for me. Now why they tell make you relax? Gas relax, calm down. Before you know it now, they go pay me salary, I go give you money, go village. But as they do, hey, you go cause problem. I know, and I don't like as you just dey inside that place, they cry every time. They pay me as I see they cry. There's me, I like you.
Person wife. You know say I be married woman and be.
Hey, person wife, we no want you. He wants you, he treats you well. Since you don't come, I don't like you. I see you, I like you. Now all this risk where they take now because of you.
See me, I don't tell them. I could just go tell them.
That would not be a good idea. Mama. Mama, welcome, ma.
How far? Have you people heard anything about Teresa?
No, mommy.
Hey, I don't want no more. What will I tell her people? What will I tell her people? Oh, God.
Mommy, relax.
This girl goes to what will I tell her people?
Mommy.
What kind of thing is this now? Hey.
Mommy. We'll find out, don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yes, we'll find out. Come and go inside, come and relax.
Is James at home?
He's at home, ma.
Hey.
Don't worry, mommy, we'll find out.
Jesus, Teresa, wake up.
Wait.
Mama, don't come.
Which mama? Mama for where?
Mama, don't come.
Mama?
Jesus, what you go do now?
What do you ask what you go do? I'm not telling you go tell am things.
Hey,
I just look up and I don't know what I go talk.
Oh, this thing don't make me feel bad now. See, if mama see me for here, the thing go dey worst though. It go dey worst.
So what you want to do now?
When I tell you,
They don't pay me. They never pay me salary.
Hey, mama.
She
don't enter inside house.
She don't enter now. You go get for her.
Which kind of problem is this one now? Hey, we'll go tell her more.
I don't know.
Hey. Mom, relax, okay? Everything is under control.
How can everything be under control when she's still missing? And this girl has been complaining to me how you people have been maltreating her. I know it's that girl that made you chase her out of this house. What will I tell her people? What will I tell her people? Hey.
Mom, this is not the time for blames. Okay, let's... What is it?
You get something where I won't tell you. I don't want to make you vex.
Oh, okay.
Wait, where have you been? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
Yes.
We've been looking for you now. Where did you go to? Hey.
Teresa,
Hey.
I've been calling your phone for days now, but it's switched off.
Let me offer. Why?
Why?
They call me.
Alright, the thing is, say, she been in my place.
Eh? Your place? Teresa! What did you do for them? Hey!
Jide, you knew I've been worried sick about her whereabouts. Yet every day you pretend around me. Jide, what kind of a man are you?
Okay, they try help. Now help her, they try help. Yourself, you know, say, now every day she they cry. They cry for your house. And that cry, you get us, they touch me. They touch me. I can't see me cry. Now help her, they help.
So you've always liked her. Right? And that was why you people connived to do this. Isn't it? What is the plan to do? Sell my car? Sell my house and throw me out?
No.
Are you both to get out of my house right now? I don't want to repeat myself. Go to your quarters, pick up every pin that belongs to you and leave. And for this time around, for real. Get out! I said get out!
Teresa!
Mommy.
Why are you pursue her now? Where do you want her to stay? Hey, God. Teresa. Hey.
Mom, whatever you have to say, I am not interested. I mean, is this the angel you want me to marry?
Someone who connived with a stranger against me. Mom, this time around she's leaving for good because I cannot have people like that around me.
I know you're feeling so bad, but Teresa is not a bad girl. She's a very good girl. Trust me.
Honestly, it breaks me.
To think that Jide is part of this. Oh, God.
I know you feel disappointed, but they came here on their own volition, and that counts for them. That's something.
So what do you want me to do? Tell me, what do you want me to do? I told you from the onset that I cannot marry her. And I still maintain, Mom, I cannot marry that girl. And that is my stand.
James, this is not who you are. And you know it.
Jide, I dey sorry say you don't enter trouble because of me. No be waiting I plan be this, I beg.
And me, I don't dey ready for any kind of thing we won't happen. I know say something like this will happen, but I take the risk. Because I don't like as you just did that house, they cry. As I tell you before, I like you. In fact, I don't go lie. I love you. Give me a chance. I'll marry you.
The only say if I like you, because you better person, yes now. See every time we say for this house, they make I vex, make I not dey happy. Now you be the only person wey be say you go come meet me, they tell me sorry. Now make this your work thing now, wey be say they don't pursue you, they pay me.
Teresa, I don't see life. You see this life? Sometimes things go bad, sometimes things go good. You go bounce back. Me and you together, nothing fit shake us. I dey for you. I be your guy.
Listen, please, your guy. Now only you, Jide. I don't forget the name.
I see the like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. Gege.
Gege.
Come.
Are you just leaving?
Mama, I beg no vex. I know say I'm supposed to call you.
It's okay. As long as you're safe. That's the most important thing.
Okay. I just want to tell you, say, I did sorry. I know say since I don't dey work for you, you never do me bad before. In fact, you take me like brother. So I don't like us. Everything just take be. I don't like her. So I did sorry.
Do you love her?
You say what?
I see the way you are around her. I see the way you guys play and gist through the CCTV. So I ask you again, Jide, do you love her?
I love her. I love her. I don't even lie about that one. But you know, now you, Mama bring her comfort. So I know. But when you come pursue her, come out for house now, I can't say no good. Make her just protect her.
That's alright. You know, one thing about the heart is that it knows where it belongs. And that is a big lesson for us to learn. We cannot force love. And we cannot box it. I know my mom has my best interest at heart. But Mom, I love someone else. Babe? Sandra is the one my heart beats for. And she's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
This is me making it official.
James, my son, I can't go against your decision. I only did what a good mother would do for her son. If Sandra is the woman you love, who am I to go against your happiness? I can see that both of you are happy. And Teresa here is also happy. So, we're all happy.
Yes, yes.
Everywhere is okay.
Mama, me, I happy.
I can see that.
I know say you no be bad person. And the thing where you do am because of your pikin. But the thing be say this your pikin no like me at all. Na she in like. Because since I don't come this house, no dey even look my side. You know they look. And na person wey no get sense go come go dey fight her because say me, I want make this one marry me by force. I think too don't dey happy now. Me too. Me too. We dey happy.
Yes, yes.
Happy.
Mama, I just want to say something. You know, as everywhere done happy, everywhere done happy. The bride price, make they return them so that I go not say it may be anybody wife.
They never pay.
Na ikwaka na they come knock. I come phone and come.
That's true. We only did introduction.
Mom? Oh, wow.
Everywhere done good.
Baba, you know say this life get as e be. When I dey come, that time when they carry me come, I don't make up my mind say na who dogu na I go be. Na the kind dream I get to say I go marry oga, I go be oga wife, big man wey get money. But now God say no, say na get man I go marry. Yes.
Which kind talk with that now? Maybe get man.
But na forget you dey work.
Security. That's what they do.
Security.
They secure things.
But na get man dey call me.
Oh.
It's okay. No, why I like you as get man be security.
See how you're rushing. You're really in love.
Yes.
Well, well, well. In the spirit of new beginnings, all things are passed away, and all things have become new. Jide, my friend, you're a good man.
Thank you, boss.
And Teresa here is a good woman too. And in order to show my further commitment, Jide, I'm going to settle you. I'm going to make sure you're settled and you establish yourself. So I'm going to give you money. Yeah, I'm going to give you 5 million.
Oh, that's again. I don't tell you.
We don't get money.
Hey, Oga.
You don't get money. 5 million.
Hey,
Hey.
boss. Boss. You be boss.
You go send it to
my son.
Okay, Rika. I buy a car, go sell.
Go sell am. You go make money.